Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a vehicle wrapping service and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. So now I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your vehicle wrapping service. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial, and give it a go. See how well it works for you in your small business. So once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for my market, vehicle wrapping service. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that one. Great, let's start MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name over here, as well as my city and my state or region. I'm also going to go ahead and select service and click on continue. Let MultiSites generate a simple website for my business with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of the various vehicles and the work you've done. Maybe you wrap some awesome vehicles with advertising and stuff like that. Want to showcase it on your website. You can absolutely do that. Perhaps you want to change the content a little bit as well. Maybe you don't quite offer all of these services. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional of any sorts. So let's get started. I'm going to click at the first section at the top, and the first thing I'm going to do is pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that email address is visible on my website for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way, and our address, our physical location. Let's put it in over here as well. Great thing about that address, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken to Google Maps directly. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website, so customers can easily reach out to you, follow you on social media, and get some engagement going. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section, update logo, browse your device, and upload it over here. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out canva.com or Hatchful. I've personally tried both myself, and they're really great for small businesses if you don't have a huge budget or any budget at all, because they're completely free. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil directly over it to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save here on the right so you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, if you'd like to change the colors used throughout your MultiSites website for you, click on the paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Just go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section that you'd like to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, as you can see. Otherwise, if you head over back to the photo options, you actually now have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those photos. And update action is where you can change that button text, where the button links to various places, even upload a PDF file. And under update content is where you can make it more personalized to your business, change that content that was pre-written for you. In the last section over here, we've got a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, potential customers. You'll find all your leads over in your Multi dashboard. You'll also get notified via your registered email account you have a new lead. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on this yellow connect your domain. You also have the option to now purchase a custom domain through the MultiSites platform to make your website look even more trustworthy, professional, stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful. Really wishing you and your business Multi success.